Hi friends, welcome back to another video. This one is super exciting because I am letting you guys know about something that I've been working on for a long time now. I am launching my own kids bath bomb line, and it's going to be called Bubba Bath. I'm super excited about this because I initially came up with the idea when I was pregnant with Molly a couple of years ago. My kids were taking a bath and it just clicked. The name clicked, the idea clicked. I love baths. You guys know I'm obsessed with Lush bath bombs, just taking bubble baths, and I wanted to make something geared towards kids so that they got excited to take baths as well. Bubba Bath is going to be a line of children's bath bombs directed towards kids, so different colors, different prizes on the inside. I wanted to make a product that made kids excited to take a bath and made the whole bath experience a fun one. I've been developing the formula for and I've perfected the first 3, and I'm constantly changing and coming up with ideas. I have some crazy ones right now that I'm working on, but I'm excited to start off with 3 of my main bath bombs.
Okay, so this is the first bath bomb that I wanted to share with you guys, and this is just completely white and it smells like coconut cream, and it is the surprise bath bomb. And basically in this there is a surprise color tablet, so you do not know what color it is going to make your bath. So this one smells incredibly delicious, so I just wanted to share that first one with you guys. The second one that is going to be included that I have is the Sleepy Star one, and I'm trying to get this in the shape of a star, but we're going to start this off in a circle shape in a bath bomb. But this one is a lavender oil scented and infused bath bomb. It smells incredible, also super nourishing. All of these have coconut oil in them, so they make your skin super soft. This one also has glow in the dark glitter. You can kind of see it sparkling. It's not going to glow completely unless you have like a black light in your bathtub, but when this fizzes, it looks really cool and really iridescent. So this is the nighttime Sleepy Star bath bomb. This next one is for the girls, and this is the glitter bath bomb, and this one smells like pina colada, and it is this beautiful peach color, and inside there is glitter as well. So this is super finely milled glitter, and it's something that will just easily rinse out of your bathtub if you run your shower for a second just to rinse it all out. But it's just really fun and really girly. I'm also going to be putting some girl surprises inside. Those are on their way, but right now we're just doing the glitter, but I will have glitter and some girly surprise on the inside as well. This last bath bomb that I have is the Dino Bomb, and this one is in the shape of a dinosaur egg, and it's a seafoam color. I really like this color a lot. This has been my boy's favorite one so far. It also smells like pina colada, and this one has a dinosaur surprise. So whether it's one of those little pills that changes into like a spongy dinosaur or an actual little dinosaur, that is what is inside this, and my kids have been so excited. They love taking a bath with one of these. This is probably their favorite because they want to see what's inside. Okay, so these are the first 4 bath bombs in my collection, and I'm super excited. So basically you can choose when I have these ready to order if you want the girl version or the boy version. So the boy version will have these 3, and then the girl version will have this one with these 2, or you can choose to have the dinosaur egg as well. So these all have a tiny bit of oil with them, and I've had some of my friends test these out, and one of my friends said that it made their child's hair a little bit oily. So just make sure if you're going to do that, make sure to use a little bit of fresh water. Add some extra water into your bathtub if you're going to be washing your children's hair when you are doing that as well.
I'm going to be starting off by selling these in a pack of 3, so you can get one of each of these. I really wanted to get an idea of what you guys like and what you guys wanted to see. So this is not launching this second. I will let you guys know when the actual date goes up, when everything goes live, but I wanted to get you guys excited about it. So it'll be a pack of 3, and I'm really excited. I'm gonna do a limited edition, like I said, just to kind of get a feel of what you guys want to see. But I just want to let you guys know all about Bubba Bath. Brad and I have always wanted to do a business venture together, so this is it, and we're really excited to share with you guys. So stay tuned here on my social media, on YouTube, on Facebook, all of that, on Snapchat. I will keep you guys posted on when everything will launch, but I just wanted to get that out there and get you guys excited, and we will see you guys in my next video. Bye!